Namaste. So, as I have promised you that in the next video I will just explain about the full pigeon pose. In my earlier video, you come to know about the one-legged pigeon pose, that is the Ekpada Kapotasana. You should know that the all names of the yoga is either in English or in Sanskrit, not in Hindi. No poses. Just you know, the Patanjali has written a Yoga Sutra. It has 196 sutras written in Sanskrit. So all poses name are in Sanskrit. That was converted later in the English, but not in Hindi. So I will just explain about the full pigeon pose. Purna Kapot Asana. Earlier I did one-legged pigeon pose. So for doing this pigeon, you just uh, assume the shape and size of the pigeon. Same you are the made that. But doing that, you just do the warm up. Don't forget doing the warm up. Otherwise, you will be the responsible for your sprain and other types of injury. So I again emphasize, just say you that just you do the what stretching and warm up. So for doing this, you do the warm ups and stretching that I have just explained the earlier videos, and you can do this also, so that your spine will be flexible like that. You can see this side also. This just massage your back and spine. So after that, I will do that. Okay, I will take the support of any other person. Then I will explain it properly. But first, I am doing that. So put your hands here and up. But if you are beginner, don't try to move more up. You try the cobra pose, then do this. But if you are beginner, you can do this. So up, as much up, and you try to bring your head closer to the what? Closer to your legs. You can touch your head to the legs. Okay, so Prasun, come. You lie like that. I am explaining. Yes. See, put your hands here, up, then legs touch to your head. As much you stretch, you back bend your spine, you will be able to touch. So this is the pigeon. You can see the whole whole shape is like a pigeon. So it is named after the shape of the pigeon pose. Okay. Thanks, Rasul. So I shine that and he shows like that. So it is also another very difficult pose, but slowly and slowly, if you practice, you can achieve your desired goal. So enough for today. Try it, but first try your cobra poses, that we will explain in the next videos, and then you try this. Very effective. Spine for your back spinal twist, back spinal bend, and if you are able to this, your body will always be straight, flexible, spine strong, back strong, and also very good for your obesity problem that you facing, or many problem a person are facing. If you are not facing, doesn't matter, but a lot of person are facing the obesity problem. It cured your obesity problem also. So do it. It is very effective pose, and try it. Yoga don't do like exercise. It has the breathing pattern. While you did this like that, breathe in, then breathe out. So follow the breathing pattern. Yoga is not yoga if you do without breathing. That will be something different, something other things. It might be any exercise. It might be gymnastic, but not yoga without breathing. So I hope that you come understand this poses. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and sure you give me any comments, any feedback, any problem, any mistake I committed, you can just give in that feedback. So hoping you are well today, and do this post today or later, and also subscribe my channel. My main motto is not subscribing my channel, but a person if do anything, he thinks something he get. So but you can't just subscribe my channel, but you do please it. Thank you.